Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can receive money on PayPal. So let's jump right in. First, make sure you have a PayPal account. If you don't already, just head over to paypal.com and sign up. It's quick and easy, and all you need is an email address and a phone number. Once your account is set up, there are a couple of easy ways to start receiving money. The most common method is using the email address you used to sign up. Just give that email to the person sending you money, and the funds will be deposited directly into your PayPal account. Another option is using your personalized PayPal Me link. To find it, log into your PayPal account, click the gear icon in the top right to go into your settings, and look under your profile. You'll see your unique PayPal.me link there, for example. Here you can see my link. When someone clicks that's the link, they'll see your profile and can send you money instantly. It's super convenient and great for sharing online or in messages.